Data Detectives, Episode 3, Colors, Filters, and Sorting. Welcome back, Data Detective. This episode is my personal favorite because we're working with animals. We've got data on 15 different animals, their top speed, how heavy they are, how long they live, and more. Get ready to discover some wild facts. Connect to ep3animaldata.csv and click into Sheet 1. Take a moment to look at the columns. Animal name, max speed in miles per hour, weight in pounds, lifespan in years, habitat, type, like mammal, fish, bird, and whether the animal is endangered. That's a lot of interesting data. Let's start with a question. Which animal is the fastest? Drag animal to rows and max speed to columns. Sort it descending. The peregrine falcon should rocket straight to the top, at 240 miles per hour. Now let's make this more interesting. Drag type to the color box on the marks card. Now each bar is colored by whether the animal is on land, in water, in the air, or in the Arctic. Can you spot a pattern? Are birds generally faster or slower than mammals? Check out that legend on the right. If I click on air in the legend, Tableau highlights all the birds and dims everything else. That's called highlighting, and it's super useful for spotting patterns in messy charts. But wait, what if we only want to see certain animals? That's where filters come in. A filter is like a question you ask Tableau. Only show me animals that match these rules. Drag habitat from your dimensions panel to the filters shelf. It's above the marks card. A dialog box will pop up asking which habitats you want to include. Check land and water and click OK. Now you'll only see land and water animals. The other animals are hidden. Here's an even cooler trick. Right-click on Habitat in the Filter shelf and choose Show Filter. Now a little filter control appears on the right side of your screen. You can click checkboxes to turn habitats on and off in real time. Try it. This is what's called an interactive visualization. Now let's try a different kind of filter. A range filter. Drag lifespan to the filter shelf. This time, choose range of values and set the minimum to 20. Now you're only looking at animals that live at least 20 years. Which ones are left? See how powerful filters are? A journalist reporting on long-lived animals could use this exact technique to quickly narrow down the data they need. Let's make a second chart. Click the little plus sign at the bottom to create Sheet 2. This time, let's highlight which animals are endangered. Drag animal to rows and max speed to columns again. Then drag endangered to color. Now endangered animals are highlighted in a different color. This is a technique journalists call encoding data in color. You're adding an extra layer of meaning without adding more text or numbers. One chart is doing double duty. Today you learned 3 power moves. Color, to encode categories and values directly in your chart. Filters, to show only the data you care about. And sort, to rank data so the most important stuff is easy to find. Episode 3 Challenge. Build a scatter plot. Drag max speed to columns and weight to rows. Each dot is an animal. Color the dots by type. Can you see any pattern between how heavy an animal is and how fast it runs? Write down your conclusion. Next episode, we tackle line charts and discover how temperature changes across cities throughout the year. It's going to be cool. Literally. See you then.